Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, power the surface off and unplug everything. Fasten an ESD strap, static kills circuits. Flip the device, remove the tiny Torx mounting screws under rubber feet using T5/T3 as needed. Once the screws are out, apply a suction cup near the edge and use a plastic spudger to separate the base shell. You want gentle, steady pressure to avoid clips snapping. As you lift, clear visible adhesive with the spudger and place screws in labeled containers so reassembly is exact. Once the base is open, locate the keyboard ribbon cable and its brown or black flip latch. You unlock it by lifting the latch toward you, not by pulling the ribbon hard. Carefully slide the ribbon straight out. If resistance appears, recheck the latch. Unscrew mounting points holding the keyboard assembly and free any adhesive with a nylon pick. Heat with a low-temp hair dryer if adhesive is stubborn. Make sure grounding straps remain accessible and set the old keyboard aside for reference before installing the new unit. Place the new keyboard into position, aligning tabs and screw holes so it sits flush. Slide the ribbon into the connector until fully seated and push the latch down to lock. This ensures reliable contact. Reinstall screws in reverse order, keeping torque light to avoid stripping. Reattach base and rubber feet, reconnect power and boot windows. Once on, test every key and backlight, including modifiers. If keys fail, power down, reseat the ribbon, and inspect for bent contacts or debris as a primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.